Hello dear student, today we will learn a beautiful poem Time for standard 6. Okay student, now we start. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runs. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many age in time? No one now the rhyme.